Caden Bear. There's, oh, what did you get? Oh, boy. Want me to help? Oh, here you go. Here you go, big girl. Ready? Oh, what is it? Is that Scout? What is Scout? Oh.
You take photos, don't take video.
Yeah, I know. Oh dear, we have to get him out. Here. Oh dear. Gary, would you bring some scissors from the... Or the knife.
He's got the pocket
Oh, he's got the pocket knife. There you go. Huh?
So just leave it.
She can have one, Grandma.
How
cute is that? Oh, is that the GoPro, David?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. What does it say, Caden?
Yeah, read it.
There's more to
She's
it,
obsessed with books. She takes all of David's big books, like the Webster Dictionary. David has like a book about like different kinds of herbs and stuff like that. They're like this thick. She stacks them on the table, picks them off the bookshelf.
Oh, the Catholic Bible. Oh, cool.
Oh
Right.
my goodness.
Oh my goodness. It's
Our room is going to look more like a tornado.
It's a house.
I almost posted pictures yesterday because like, oh my gosh.
Look at that.
Her bedroom.
With balls.
Everything's out of the toy box.
Oh my God.
It's like where do you want
Like, dude's gonna love us.
And even
No, the good thing is I have a
downstairs,
nice pump that will go good for that. So
Well, now it's a
What is
birthday.
that?
I love the balls. Adorable.
that will go in the corner of your room after you move the chair.
After we move the chair. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. And now, what are we going to do?
So wait a minute while you're
Keep
taking
the cards with the stuff.
Wait.
that card.
Do you want me to pass you stuff?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Mom, grab that card.
Two go together. But the brown one with the dots is broken at the bottom, so don't
Yeah.
just push.
Here you
Okay.
go.
Wait, these two go together?
Yeah.
Drag the, yeah.
Yeah, that one broke.
You're gonna give a baby a broken toy?
No,
Oh,
the bag
is
is
broken.
May the Lord give you the desires of your tiny little heart. Love you much, Aunt Shirley. How cute. And this one says, you're 2 and twice as nice. Well, except for the days when she's being 2. With love, hugs,
She's more into
with
the
love,
envelope.
hugs, and kisses, Auntie Cassie,
You might have to
Iran,
cut that ribbon.
Chris, Faith, and Natalia.
Yes, it's an envelope.
So this is a cool
I love the
envelope.
busy with the envelope.
Dump it out. Good girl. There you go. Good girl.
Okay, what's in there? Oh my goodness, is that Mickey Mouse? Look there.
Uh-oh.
Oh boy.
Where those ribbons are is the zipper, so you gotta look in there.
Hey, you gotta look in there. Look.
And then you're gonna have a place for everything.
Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh. More bracelets.
More
All right.
More bracelets.
Oh, yeah. Don't leave. Make sure you get all her bracelets.
I know.
'Cause she's going to have them all. She
And
wears them
look
like
at
all the way up to
these
here.
little
the purses are hidden.
stars.
Look, Dad.
It might be too
Look at these.
Oh my god.
Look at these, they're so adorable.
Put them back on, girl.
And what's in, what else is, star bracelets. Whoa.
Wow.
I think we're going to have to get a bigger jewelry box.
Well, this is what this is for. This is a jewelry bag. This is going to be a jewelry bag.
She has more little bracelets right there on the table too, on the chest.
Yes. Okay, here we go. All right. It's everywhere. It's everywhere.
Yeah, they're all together when you're outside.
There you go. Cool. All right, so we're going to put those right there.
Where'd her
right on
necklace
here.
go? Chris, where's her necklace?
Oh, you want to have this
somewhere
on?
It's right, they just put it inside the.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh,
There you go. All right, there you go.
She wears my necklaces. She got to have jewelry everywhere.
I don't know where she got that from.
Yeah, definitely not you.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, what?
She still don't wear jewelry. I bought her back when I worked at the Boogie.
That's the disguise.
Yeah.
That's not what it is. That's the disguise.
Yeah, I was gonna say, oh gosh, sugar high.
It's out of the box,
Oh, it's out of the box.
It's
but that's as
stretchy.
close as you can get.
You have to
Okay.
keep your
Oh
hands
my
up like
goodness. Hey, look.
Oh, how adorable is that? We have another necklace here.
What necklace
City.
there?
Woohoo!
Diva.
Diva. Oh my.
Oh,
Yes,
look
she
at
is. Okay. Oh, gotta get that one on. All right. Okay, here. Can we do this now? Can we do that? Here. Okay, Yeah, I need to get all my bracelets in order.
Oh,
Yes.
dear Lord. This could take hours.
Glasses got to go on.
No.
No. No. Oh, no.
Oh.
Oh, no. Oh, everybody's looking at me.
Here, Caden. What's this? Oh, look at that.
Maybe you leave Dad's books alone.
Yeah, right. That's not gonna
Feel
happen.
it, how soft it is.
It's very soft. I even felt it. Oh my goodness, Miss
Oh,
Smith.
you put your camera right in front of her
sorry.
face.
Oh, yes.
We like this.
There's going to be a bookworm like Grandma and Auntie April.
Boy, that was a bright light. Is that your flash, Mom?
Yeah.
Boy, I think you blinded everybody.
It's a good thing she doesn't have
You just shake it real hard, all the presents will fall.
Yeah.
Caden, what's in here?
We got a pinata.
What's in
That's
here?
what we got to do one here.
Huh? What's in here, Missy?
Is that Faith?
Yes.
Holy cow. Holy cow, you got big. Huh?
It was.
Well, last time I saw her, she was little.
When she's old.
Faith. Yeah, I was like, holy cow.
Crystal. Oh, you take it.
What?
Faith, honey, would you go in the little drawer underneath where the toaster is, get a pen and a piece of paper, and write some things down for me?
Go in there.
Whoa, it's everywhere. Woo, crunchies.
I'm going to jam on that guitar.
No wonder you came in here so funny looking.
Yeah.
How cute. Okay, would you write down Amy, mini guitar, wooden
Poo box.
poo
There's a
box,
card.
Poo box or whatever it is.
And then that red bag from you
And some crunchies. Oh,
And
boy.
crunchies.
and
Those will be
crunchy.
gone like tomorrow.
Yeah, we went through Walmart shopping, and while we were spending an hour in there, Caden was eating those.
There you go.
By the time we got to the register, she probably had 10 left.
How darling.
That thing is full. She literally the whole time
Good,
ate
Grandma
them.
hit him.
Oh my goodness.
They're really good too, though, because I kind of take them. I eat them too.
Yeah,
Happy birthday, Caden. Love Amy.
They come in ranch. They got the veggie
yeah,
dip.
they have the veggie dip, the cheese ones, the ranch dip, the sweet potato.
Okay,
and apple.
let's see what's in here, Caden.
Oh, there's a bracelet right here, Mom.
That's cake. Yeah.
We got mini sippy cups. Yay!
Ooh.
And what's that? Caden, look at that. Oh my gosh.
That is so freaking
We have to do
cute.
that with the bunny ears.
Adorable.
Well, I mean, they're Mickey ears.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
A sun hat. We have to have a sun hat to go.
Okay, wait, you have to take off your ears.
Oh no!
There's a Granny
Boo boo, take off your ears.
Take off the ears.
Okay, take off the ears. Now put on the hat.
Wow.
So
You got that for your
It's the other way because the bow.
yeah, well, that's okay. Close enough for 2-year-olds. Okay, bathing suit,
Caden.
sun hat.
You got it, Mom.
Okay,
Caden, look.
and put.
Wow.
Mom, I got it under control.
Okay, cool. What do we have here? Oh my goodness, what's this? Is this another card? What does it sake! He's got a doggy on it.
No, give it to me.
Give it to me. I have
Give it
to.
to me.
It's mine.
I know how to do it. I'm big. I'm 2.
So I read like
What have
the
you
first
got?
sentence.
Says Caden.
It's
from Super Pup and oh, Grandma Patty.
my sister.
Get it here.
It's like all these little Bible stories.
Washing something.
There.
It's like Bible. My Bible.
Turn it over
Can't
before
read without it.
Here we go.
Oh.
That's Stephen's eye.
Is that Elsa?
That's cool.
How pretty. Let it go.
There we go. We're gonna hang that. Mom and Dad are gonna hang that.
No, I
on
love
the
the
wall.
love is an
Okay, so we're going to take this and put, okay,
Yeah.
Natalia, would you help
We'll
us
hang
again?
that one on the wall. You got lots of other stuff.
Here you go, there you go, baby girl.
That's
What's
from
in
us.
that one?
Now it's Anna and Elsa, I can tell you that.
In the right order, too.
I don't think
Oh my goodness, what do we have here? Oh, from and oh my goodness, Caden, look at how cute you are going to look. Oh my gosh. Look at this.
Oh my gosh, that is
Oh, that's
so
cool.
Weird size.
Amy, look at these.
That's cool.
Is that from you guys?
No,
Me.
we are just a picture. I don't know.
Uh-oh, got a tiara.
Oh, yes, you got your tiara.
How adorable is it?
And more clothes.
More clothes.
Picture of
Pocahontas is
All
on
the
there.
princesses. All right.
Well,
do like
Sunny,
one.
spend a little money on the bag. That's 1 year.
Yes.
You can put all the clothes back in that.
Ready for school.
Caden, give Grandma the tiara.
When she's old enough.
Here you go. Here you go, boo. Give it daddy.
Sunny does this.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, wrap up. We need to take this undone. Wait, oh, you're already opening it yourself. Oh,
Remind me to bring the
Oh, I thought you
photo,
ran in
the
that
painting,
together.
so I can put it on our wall so I have it all.
Doing, is that what you're?
Oh, car.
That's like for that little princess.
okay, let's see. 2 is awesome. 2 is fun. 2 is a whole more year than 1. Love, Grandpa Dossett. Oh, cute. What do I do with it? Okay.
Uh-oh.
Oh my goodness, your first Cabbage Patch Kid.
Is that one for you, Dad? Is that for you? She loves Cabbage Patch Kids. She loves them.
Cool.
Give her a kiss.
Give her a kissy.
Give me a kiss.
Give her a kissy.
Oh my goodness, Caden. Oh, you're going to love this. You can buy whatever you want. Uncle Wayne gave you a card and a gift card. It says niece. Having a niece like you makes a family feel really special, really loved, and really
I'll give
proud.
that to Crystal.
Happy birthday, Caden. Love, Uncle Wayne.
You got a baby shoe there.
Aren't enough thrown around here.
Worry about that stuff later.
They're putting these things together with industrial.
Mom. Mom.
Oh, perfect. Okay, Caden, can I have the hat so that we can put on our very cute,
Yeah,
but
here you
a little large? There we go. Pocahontas. Look at you with your Pocahontas tiara.
Boo boo. Boo boo.
They're dead. They're asleep.
That's pretty.
What is that? So, what is this? Like, you see her face? You see her face? She's all, what is this? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What we got? Uh-oh. You got a baby.